Okay, now we're going to do 3 songs in a row with the word let it. First song is Let It Be by the Beatles. This song is about letting it be. Letting it be. Letting it be. You know, sometimes in life you just gotta let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. When I first heard this song, I was like, yeah, let it be. But then, as the song went on, I was like, no, 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 no. Like, I don't want to let it be. I want to let it go. Next song is Let It Go from Frozen. This one's pretty obvious. You know, when Elsa first sings this, she's like, let it go, let it go. And then Anna's like, no, don't let it go. But you gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. I'm sorry, but this is my favorite song to belt out in the car. No judgment. Last song is Let It Snow. This song is perfect for the holidays. It's also a great song to sing in the car. You can really belt it out. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I love singing along to this one. There's a lot of things in life that we have no control over. We can't control the weather. We can't control other people. We can't even control ourselves sometimes. And it's these things that cause us stress. It's these things that make life difficult, but there is a simple solution to overcome all of this. And that solution is to learn when to let it be, when to let it go, and when to let it snow. Now, I know that sounds like a children's story, but bear with me for a few minutes and I'll explain. So the first one is let it be. There are some things in life that are meant to be. You can fight it. You can argue with it. You can try to change it. But in the end, it will never work out the way you want it to. The best thing to do in those situations is to let it be, let it be. The more you try to fight it, the more you're going to get hurt. The more you try to change it, the more you're going to get frustrated. So the best thing to do is to let it be. Now, the second one is a little bit more difficult, and that is to let it go. This is not letting it be. Letting it go means that you're releasing yourself from something that is causing you stress, that is causing you pain, that is causing you grief. It could be a bad relationship. It could be a toxic friendship. It could be a job that you hate. It could be anything that is causing you stress in your life. You have to know when to let it go. You see, sometimes we hold on to things for too long. Sometimes we're afraid to let go because we don't know what is going to happen if we do. But you have to understand that sometimes you have to let go in order to move forward. You have to let go in order to find happiness. You have to let go in order to find peace. It's not an easy thing to do, but it's a necessary thing to do. And sometimes it's the best thing to do. And finally, we have let it snow. Now, this is a metaphor for new beginnings. Just like snow falls from the sky and covers the ground in a blanket of white, so too can new ideas and opportunities come into our lives and cover us in a blanket of success. The key to this is to be open to new ideas, to be willing to take risks, to be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Because once you do that, once you let it snow, you'll never know what might happen. You could meet new friends. You could start a new business. You could find true love. You could have all of the things that you've ever dreamed of if you're willing to let it snow. So the next time you're faced with a situation where you don't know what to do, ask yourself, is this something I should let it be? Is this something I should let it go? Or is this something I should let it snow?